my gorilla cart is covered in ice. I use this to put my wood in. Oh well. There's some ice. Everything is crunchy. The grass is frozen. I'm gonna go over here and get some more wood because I'm just about out. A dear friend of mine told me to put this wood in front of the fireplace to let it dry out and that it'll help it to burn better. Well, it worked. That was some good advice. All right, I'm gonna load my cart up. I am gonna try and split a couple pieces of this bigger wood. Wish me luck because I haven't had any success trying to split some of it because it's just so hard. All right, let's get it done. All right, I don't know what's wrong with my log splitter. I got the levers. This one will not go up any further. It's tight. This one is tight, but it's not splitting. I don't know. I don't know what the problem is. This is how much ice is on top of this table, my outdoor table. So yeah, we do have ice. We don't have snow, we just have ice. The field, the grass is all crunchy. Of course the dogs love it. All right, come on guys, let's go check on the chickens. Hey, let's go check on the chickens. Let's go get the chickens. All right, look up there, guys. Got a tree that's coming down. So yeah, I know it don't look like it, but we do have ice, not a lot, and it is freezing. And as I'm talking, I can feel some sleet coming down. So, yep, I got a tree that's coming down. At least it's not coming down over here. So, hey, more firewood, right? These two are having a blast in this cold. Are you having fun? You having fun? You guys like the cold weather? Does it make you a little frisky? Yeah. Oh, come on, we gotta go get in the house. It's getting cold. Mama's hands are cold. Come on, let's go stoke the fire. Let's go. You ready? Come on.